In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock accounts in Xero. Locked dates in Xero are used to protect a closed period, like after month end or year end, so no one can accidentally change historical transactions. If you need to correct something in a closed period, you can temporarily lift that lock. I'll show you exactly where that setting lives and how to switch it off safely. Start on your Xero dashboard and open the accounting menu at the top of the screen. From there, choose accounting settings to get to the organization's level configuration. Inside this area, look for financial settings. This is where company-wide controls for reporting periods and lock dates are managed. Within financial settings, find the lock dates section. You'll see an option that reads, "Stop all users making changes and before this date. Auto reconcile still runs during this period." That description is a reminder that when a lock date is set, users can't add or edit transactions dated on or before that day, but background bank auto reconciliation can still continue. To unlock your accounts, simply clear the lock date. Click into the date field and remove the date entirely, leaving it blank. With no date in that box, the restriction is lifted. Once you've removed the date, scroll down and click Save. Saving confirms the change and immediately unlocks the period, allowing edits and new postings to transactions that fall on or before the date that had been locked. If you still see a warning when editing a transaction, refresh your browser and try again. A couple of practical tips before you move on. Only users with the right permissions can access these settings, so if you don't see accounting settings or financial settings, contact your Xero administrator or an advisor user in your organization. It's also a good idea to note the previous lock date before you clear it, especially if you plan to reapply it after you've finished your corrections. While the period is unlocked, communicate with your finance team so everyone knows the window is open, and consider running a quick report afterwards to confirm the changes you intended are the only ones that happened. That's it. You navigated to accounting, opened accounting settings, went into financial settings, cleared the lock date, and saved. Your accounts are now all unlocked and ready for the adjustments you need. When you're finished making updates, return to this page and re-enter a lock date to keep your closed period protected and maintain clean, reliable reports.